So what is the command? The command is nothing but a chmod. What is that? Change mode. We can change the 777 mode. Change mode. So permission 777 and the file or directory. Guys, understood? So chmod hyphen capital R recursively 777 file or directory. So what is hyphen R? So what is this permission? You can give any permission, guys. I'm giving just a permission 777. Okay. So what is hyphen R? Hyphen R is nothing but a recursive mode. Why recursive mode? Why a recursive mode? For example, so there is a one directory that is a class one. Under the class one directory, there is a class two. Under the class two directory, there is a class three. Under the class three directory, there is a class four. Under the class four, there are the two files. There are two files under the class. So class one, class two, class three, class four. Okay. So if you use chmod 777 directory as a class one, it will change the only the parent directory. It will change only the parent directory. No, I want to change each and every directory. Under the directory, there is a files, right? Everything I need to change it. So if you want to change everything, so the directories and subdirectories and files, so we can use the hyphen R. What is the option we can use, guys? So we can use the option like as a hyphen R option. Guys, now you understood? Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you want to give 644, 655, 777, 755, you can give it any command. So by using chmod hyphen R, chmod hyphen R. So directories, subdirectories, and within the subdirectory there is a files also. It will be changing. Files also it will be changing. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. I will give you an example. What is this? This is the yeah, guys. So understood, right? So what is that? LS sudo su type. Okay. So what we created class one under durga.txt. So what is the permission we have? ls hyphen lrt. Okay. So we have a 755 permission. I want to change it to 777 permission. Chmod 777 class one. Okay. Let's see the permission. Yeah, it's changed to 777. It's changed to 777. Owner also having RWX, group also having RWX, others also having RWX. So this is nothing but a full permission. So if you want to give 744 permissions, you can give it as 744 also. So right, sir. Let's check it. So we have a 744. So again, I'm giving 777 permission. Okay, now you understood? So I want to change the permission to 666 or 666 permissions. 666 Durga.txt. Guys, so you got the RW. So if you want 777, you can give 777 also. You can give 777 permissions. Okay, 777 permissions. So now I'm creating a directory called as a mkdir class 2. Okay, mkdir hyphen p class 2 class 3 mkdir class 4 class 5. Okay, touch touch product.txt durga1.txt. Okay, so you see ll. So you have a 755 permissions for the class 2. cd class 3 cd class 2 class 3. You see the permission of 755 cd class 4 ll 755 cd class. Okay, 644 permissions. So you have a directories within the subdirectories. Okay, cd cd enter. Okay, so what is the file we have? So the file we have ls. Okay, so class 2. So class 2 having 755 permissions. I want to change 777 permissions for everything. Chmod hyphen capital R 777 and class 2. So it will change the parent directory as well as the subdirectories. So within the subdirectories there are the files. Those files also changed. C ll cd class cd class 2. Yeah, you see cd class 3. So within the class 3, you see 777. So again, you need to go to class 4. In the class 4 also, you will have the same permission, 777 permissions. In the class 5 also having a files. These files also having the 777 permissions. These files also having the 777 permissions. If you use the hyphen R, if you use the hyphen R, it will change the parent directory as well as the subdirectories parent directory as well as the subdirectories. Within the subdirectories also you will change it. So hyphen R is nothing but a recursive mode. It will change everything. It will change everything. Guys, understood? Guys, speak out. Understood?
Yes, sir. So if directory is there, then we have to use the recursive mode.
Directory, yeah. If it is a directory, you can use the recursive mode. So file, right? The file contains only, there is no, within the file, so there is no other files, right? Just a file. So if you want a file, you can use chmod only. If you want a directory, within the directories, you can use hyphen R. Okay?
Got it.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So next one is, so what is this? So this root. What this root? So this is the root and this is the root. This root is the owner. What is this? This root is the owner and this root is group. What is this, guys? This is related to owner permission. This is related to group permission. Okay. This is related to owner and this is related to group permissions. Okay. If you see, yeah, root is nothing but a owner who created this file, and this root is related to group. So you can change the group and the owner also. So what is the command? So we can use the ch. What is the command, guys? The command is chown and chgrp. So if you want to change the ownership, you can use the chown command. If you want to change the group permissions, you can use the chgrp. chgrp. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How you can change the ownership? How you can change the ownership? How you can change the group? I will tell you. Okay. Yeah. So the ownership. Yeah. So ls. Um, ll. So I want to change the ownership of the class one. Ownership of the class one. Cat slash etc. RW. Hari is there. Ansible EC2. Yeah. User add Hari. Okay. So cat slash etc. pass WD. Yeah, Hari user is there. Okay. So what is that? So I want to change the this owner permission to Hari. Ch own Hari colon root class one. Let's see. Yeah. So the owner is changed or not, guys? The owner is changed or not?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is nothing but a owner. I want to change the group also. How you can change? chgrp root Hari class one. Okay. It is changed the owner and the group. Yeah. So this is nothing but a parent, right? So if you want to change, change, so within the folder there is a subfolders having the files and files, right? I want to change it. So how you can change it? You can change it by using chown hyphen r owner colon group file or directory. Okay. chgrp hyphen r group file or directory. Guys, understood? You can give the just ch1. So and also so you can give the chgrp also. What is that? ch1 owner colon group file or directory. File or directory. The same way here also ch1 only group, you can give only group file or directory. So this is the only single file or directory. If you want to give it as a multiple directories, we can use the recursive mode. We can use recursive mode. Guys, understood?